I think in the IB program, of course, it has proven itself, right, that it is an international curriculum. It stands out from all the other schools, right? And the one thing that they focus on the curriculum, it's not just the local, but I think it's an international level, which basically trains and prepares students as a global citizens, right? Which opens so many other opportunities for them, right? They can go study globally, they could work globally, right? So having that opportunity to start from like early years, right? It makes a huge difference for them in their career, in their future, in their education, right? And then so many doors will open for them. And I think as a parent, that would be one of the best gifts we can give to our kids. One of the things I think benefits them the most is the small size classes. Right? There's attention given to the students. They're not just a number, right? So the teacher put that attention to them and that care to make sure that they're learning. So I think that makes a huge difference. I think it's very important because it really teaches them the other aspects of academics, right? It teaches them how to treat the environment around them, right? Sustainability, how to learn that from a very young age, right? And how to participate in these activities. One of the things that I really brag about at Ashwood Glen is like the smaller class sizes, right? The friendly community, right? And the IB academics, right? So those are the things that I always brag about. I'm like, yeah, it's a great school and you're gonna love it, right? The kids are enjoying and the kids are learning so much. So yeah, I always do that. And if anybody asked me, I would be like, yep, Ashwood Glen is your school. In order to really get the kids that opportunity to thrive, right? To really grow, I think Ashwood would be the school. I think the boys love the community and their friends here. Honestly, there hasn't been a day that I have to like force them to go to school, right? In fact, when there's a PD day, right, or the holiday, they always ask me, how come you get to work and I don't get to go to school, right? It's inspiring them in a sense that, you know, they're getting engaged in so many other activities, right? The seed is being planted here and the idea is being created and curiosity is gonna happen from there, right? And then they take that and run, and then definitely empowering because they're taking ownership of their own actions, their own activities, right? And definitely they're excelling because I think in their academic they're doing really, really well, honestly. I would describe Ashwood Glen as thriving, fostering environment and a community, to be honest, right? The kids had not come here like just for the school and the academic. They've built so much relationship with their friends, right?